Welcome to my complete English language course on the basics of the English language. In this video, we will see what is verb. Let's get started. Verb is basically just to describe some action or some state of being or occurrence. Verb is the main part of the predicate. Let's consider an example. The cat runs down the street. Here, runs down the street is the predicate and predicate starts with verb, which is runs. So this is the action that the subject, here the subject is cat. So this is the action that the subject is doing. What kind of verbs we have? Verbs can take place in different periods. This tells us when the action happens in different time periods. We will see all the ways to use the verb tense. But now this is a quick overview. Let's take an example. Here we have taken the verb to talk. So for the past tense, basically you are going to do is you are going to add ed as the end. So talked is the past tense. For present tense, either you have to use the same verb as it is or we have to add yes or es at the end. So here it is talks or talk. And for the future tense, it is very easy. We just have to add will. So here will talk is the future tense. These are just a simple present and past and future verb tense. There are also other type of past, present and future tenses and we will see that in detail in the upcoming sessions. Next we will focus on the types of verbs. Well, we have action verbs. These verbs have many uses. An action verb is something that shows an action like running, jumping, swimming, eating, etc. It tells us what the subject is doing. Let's consider an example. The cat runs down the street. So here the run is an action. So it is an action verb. And the action of the dog is running. That's it about action verbs. We have other types of verbs also, which is called helping verb. Let's see about helping verb. Let's consider an example. She is standing on the table. Here we have two verbs. One is and standing. Here is the helping verb and standing is the main verb. So is the helping verb which is helping our main verb which is called standing. So the verb which is helping our main verb is called helping verb. That's all about helping verb. Now we will see about the third type of verb which is called modal verb. Modal verbs are nothing but it will give information about the possibility. Let's take an example. He could fly in the morning. Here could and fly. These two are verbs. Here could is the modal verb and it defines the possibility and fly is the main verb. So the verb which defines the possibility is called modal verb. Let's see some of the examples. Here we will identify the types of verbs. The first sentence is the cat licks his paws. Here licks is the main verb. And the second sentence is the cat is licking his paws. So in this sentence we are having two verbs. One is and the other one is licking. So the is the helping verb and licking is the main verb. So is helping our main verb. So it is called helping verb. And the third sentence is the cat could lick his paws. Here we have two verbs. That means could and lick. So could is the modal verb and lick is the main verb. So the could defines the possibility. Therefore it is called modal verb. And this is the exercise for you. So in the sentences, you have to list all the verb and please try to figure out the types of verbs. I'm reading the sentences. The first sentence is the boy ate the grapes. And the second sentence is the bear could be in the cave. And the third sentence is she is standing on the vehicle. So please list all the verbs in this sentence and try to figure out the types of verb and comment your answers. That's all about verbs. In the next video, we will focus on linking and transitive verbs. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment this video. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe to my channel, Spider Tech Hub. Thank you.